Dividing a whole number by a decimal number. How to divide a whole number by a decimal number? To divide a whole number by a decimal number, make your divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point to the right. I-move na natin ang ating decimal point. 1, 2. Na-move na natin ang ating decimal point sa ating divisor. Kaya ang ating divisor ay nagiging whole number na. Next, roll natin. As you move 2 decimal places in your divisor, you also add 2 decimal places to your dividend. So, ibig sabihin, i-move din natin ang ating decimal point dun sa ating whole number. Ang decimal point sa ating whole number ay nasa huli. Magdagdag tayo ng 2 zero para ma-move natin ang ating decimal point 2 decimal places papunta sa right. I-move na natin ang ating decimal point 1, 2. Ang ating divisor at dividend ay parehong whole number na, kaya pwede na tayong start sa ating division. 24 divided by 4, you have 6. 6 times 4, you have 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0, so we will bring down 8. 8 divided by 4, you have 2. 2 times 4, you have 8. 8 minus 8, you have 0, so bring down 0. 0 divided by 4, we have 0. 0 times 4, we have 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0, bring down the last 0. 0 divided by 4, we have 0. 0 times 4, we have 0. Tapos tayo sa ating division. Ang ating answer ay 6,200.